Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. Now you can see this is a 13-inch M3 and a 2024 model, and the chip is the Apple M3, and the RAM is 24 gigabytes. And you can see the storage is 2 terabytes. You can see the battery information. The battery cycle count only 9 times, and the battery capacity is 100%. Let me show you the graphics. Okay, the GPU is 10 cores, and the CPU 8 cores for performance and for efficiency. And this is midnight color. You can see the brand new keyboard looks like brand new, and no scratch. Here's a little bit a little bit dirty here. Okay, the trackpad no problem. The trackpad function is normal. And let me show you the logo. Oh, here a little scratch here and here. Okay, the logo no scratches. You can see only the fingerprint. Okay, no problem. And let me show you the back. The back here's a little scratch here. You can see. Okay, here's also a little bit scratch. Okay. The other area no scratches. Okay. And let me show you the ports. You can see the charging ports. Okay. No problem. No, almost no traces of use. And let me show you the corner. No problem. This edge. No problem. Oh, you can see here and here a little bit of traces of use. You can see a little scratch. And maybe not clear. Let me change another angle. Now you can see it here. Yes, here. This corner, no problem. This edge also no problem. Here you can see a little scratch here. Little scratch. Okay, and let me show you the 30-inch display. Let me change the wallpaper. Let me change the wallpaper, the gray color. Okay, you can see no problem. The beautiful screen, beautiful screen. Okay, no bright spots, no dark spots. Let me change dark gray. Okay, beautiful screen. Okay, and let me change another color, the red color. No problem, the red color. Let me. Okay, you can see the keyboard, the backlight. No problem, the backlight. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. This is a 30-inch M3 and 24 gigabyte and 2 terabyte. This is the battery information. Cycle count 9 times and 100%. Okay, I'm Matt. See you in the next video.